Alright, take a walk with me this morning. We're going to go check our inventory for everything for your Mamaki UV. Let's check it out. Alright, let's go through the shipping area here. A bit of a mess over here. So now we've kind of rearranged all of our Mamaki supplies. So it's all alphanumeric. So if you place an order, depending on what it is, you know, here's a lot of the cleaning fluids, things like that, maintenance kits. That, you know, you keep coming down through here. You've got a lot of components. Some stuff we go through a lot. Some stuff you never run into, you know, wiring harnesses, things like that are pretty solid. Circuit boards. I mean, you name it. We've got pretty much anything and everything for your Mamaki UV. It's all Mamaki OEM stuff. No aftermarket or, you know, knockoff products. It just pretty much anything you're gonna want, and we stock a lot. You know, any of you guys that's bought parts can add up and be a major expense, but we would rather have plenty of everything to keep everybody up and running. So which is why we stock so much, and it seems like every year we kind of have to expand our parts section as Mamaki comes out with new models, right? You start stocking more and more parts, and you know, then eventually we learn what we use most of. You know, here's some absorbent pads. You really don't go through them much, but if somebody's had a machine for a while, they need to kind of clean it up inside. Antifreeze, you don't use this much, but when you need it, right? Tex wipes, a lot of, you know, some of your swabs, things like that. Stuff for the plotters and cutters, and it's an expensive shelf here. A lot of print heads there. And then we come around through here is most all the inks that we stock are for the flatbed UVs and the roll-fed UVs. Some LUS 150. Here we got some LUS 170. This for your UCJV. What do we got here? More 170. Come over here. We've got some 120. And we always, you see these little notes here, pick here first. We always want to pick the ink based on date, right? So here we have a bottle that's LUS 120 cyan. It's got an expiration date of January 8, 2026. So that's really good dates. And so once these go through these, then we go over here. That's in April of 2026. All right, let's see what else we got here. Okay, so here we got LUS 120 white. Probably more white than anything for most people. Most printers that have white have 2 channels of it. That over here we've got LH100 saying, so if you know, some of you don't use as much ink as the other. So if you ever want to place an order, but you don't want to order something if the dates are not great, you can call me and just say, hey Brian, what are your current dates on LH100 clear and the 1 liter bottles? Well, so my cell number, which you can call anytime, is 615-969-2886. And also have most of this stuff entered in our accounting software, NetSuite. So if you call me and I'm at home at 6 p.m., well, chances are if you really need it, I can log on, look it up, tell you what we've got, and tell you what the dates are. So again, anytime you need anything, if you call the office and don't get immediate response, well, we're usually pretty busy and getting a lot of stuff done, but you can always reach our cell phones. Most of you that's bought from us, you've got the cell number to your technician, to your salesperson, and you can reach me pretty much anytime if I'm not at my desk on the office number, which is 615-254-5922. Well, then you should be able to reach me on my cell, 615-969-2886. So again, keep us in mind. You need some stuff, call me. I can walk right out here and tell you exactly what we got. Just appreciate your business. Thank you very much.